Next we are going to discuss about types of functions. Types of function, different types of functions is there. We have to see few functions only here. So first function name 1 function. The question itself we have to find out 1. So one element has the one free image has the only one image. Okay, one element has the only one free image is called the 1 function. See here, a function f tends to f such that a tends to b is called 1 function. That means distinct element of a have distinct images in b. Okay, so distinct element of a. So for example, set a has the different elements 1, 2, 3, 4. And B has the different images 5, 6, 7, 8. So each and every element connected to one element connected to another one set only one element. One element connected to another one element. So one element don't have the is not connected for the more than one element. So one element connected to another one element. So this is called the 1 function. So a function f such that a tends to b is called 1 function if distinct element of a have distinct images are in b. Okay, a 1 function is also called an injection. Example, set a set b value. So you have to show like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 connected to 5, 2 connected to 6, 3 connected to 7, 4 connected to 8. So what's the meaning of that? Different element in a has different images in b. Different images in b. Like that is connected is called the 1 function. The next one we are going to see many to one function. So many to one. So question itself we know that many free images has the only one image. Many free images has the only one image is called the many to one. One free image has many connected, that is not possible. Okay. So what they are saying, a function f such that a tends to b is called many to one function if two or more elements of a have same image in b. Two or more elements of a have same image in b. So set a value, set b value they are given. Set a is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Set b, a, b, c. Here 1 also connected to a, 2 also connected to a. 3 to b, 4 to c. So here what they are given, f is a function. Different elements 1 and 2 have the same image in b. So 1 also have the image in a, 2 also have the image in a. Okay. So generally what's the meaning? 2 or more person attending one function. That is called the many to one function. But here this is not possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, here a, b, c. So this one 1 to a, 1 to b, 1 to c. Like that is not possible. One person is not possible to attend 3 functions at a time. But 2 or more persons attend the one function is possible. So this one is wrong. This one is correct. Okay. So what's the meaning? F is a function from a to b in which different elements of 1 and 2 of a have same image in b. Hence, f is a many to one function. 1 function, one element connected to another one element. If distinct elements of a has the distinct element in b, that is called the 1. Here, many to one function, different elements in a connected to the only one element in b is called the many to one function. The next we are going to discuss about onto function. Onto function is look like a 1-to-1 function, but only one different. Suppose here 7 is there. 7 don't have the free image. Otherwise 5 is here. 5 don't have the any image. Like that also is there. That is called the 1 function. But it's not a onto function. So here what's the onto function? If f such that a to b is an onto function, then the range of f is equal to b. So the range of f is equal to b. That means codomain and f value range value is equal. That is called the onto function. onto function. So codomain, what are all elements in B? Everything is the codomain. But range is the, what are all we got the answer. That is the range, already we know that. So the range and codomain are equal. That is called the onto function. That is called the onto function. So if f such that a tends to b is our onto function, then the range of f is equal to b. That is f of a is equal to b. Example, x, y, z, b value L, M, N. X connected to M, Y connected to N, Z connected to L. Like that every element has the unique image in B. Like that is called the one-to-one function. But the same thing here, codomain value. Otherwise B values were L, M, N. So range is equal to range, what are all connected? X connected to M, okay, Y connected to N, Z connected to L. So everyone has the connected to the set A. So every element will come for the range. Okay, so that is called the range. So codomain and range are equal. So now is called the onto function. Suppose here another one value is there, L, M, N, Z. L, M, N, Z, like this is there. So the codomain value is what? L, M, N, Z. What are the values? L, M, N alone is there. Okay, now is the onto function. This is a one-to-one function, but not onto. Why? So codomain is not equal to range. Codomain is not equal to range. So is a onto function. So the next we are going to see into function. Into function. A function f such that a tends to b is called an into function if there exists at least one element in B which is not the image of any element of A. So listen, every element connected to one element, that is called the one-to-one function and also called the onto function. But so here I will give one example. A 1, 2, 3, 4 and B 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 is connected to 5, 2 is connected to 6, 3 also connected to 6, 4 is connected to 8. So only one element don't have the any free image. So what they are given, at least one element in B. So this is at least one element in B which is not the free image of any element, which is not the image of any element of A. Which is not the image of element in A. So this is not a image of element in A. Like this is this called the into function. Is called the into function. Okay. One element don't have any free image. That is called the into function. Thank you, students.